everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a week of outfits. You get a lot of puppies. You get PA weather and some life in there. It is Sunday morning. It is cold. What is up with this? It is the unofficial start to summer, right? And it is cold. And 51. Supposed to get up to 62, but the sun is coming out today, which it hasn't. It's been raining like crazy. And I have some videos to post for you and just some getting ready for the week stuff going on, including groceries and all that kind of fun stuff. If you're new, I'm Laura. Stop. This is Willie, Mr. Trouble. Okay. I have Dexter here with me right now too. This is Dexy. And Loki is behind me. He's the white pupper chewing on his stick. He's being a good boy. All right, stop, please. She's so bad. I can't have, if I have anything, just even like the necklace now, they want to eat it, play with it, rip it apart, to do something to it. Before I dig right into my outfit, I thought we would talk for a moment about Evereve. Because you guys, if you follow me, you know I talk about the Evereve underwear a lot. So Evereve bralettes are the bomb. Like, this is what was holding up our boobs before, right? Like, this is it. This is the underwire that was holding up our bras before. Like, uncomfortable. This hurts. It digs into your side. Nobody wants this, right? Nobody wants this. Here comes Evereve. No underwires, all seamless, all comfy, all bend, right? Bend, no bend. You can barely bend, right? No bend. All bend, all comfy, seamless under all of your clothes, which is why I pick these all the time, is because no show. It is like the perfect t-shirt bra, right? Just perfection. And they have every different style you can imagine. So please check out all the amazing pieces on their site. I love an Evereve set. Okay, buddy. Hey, okay. Here's your stick, buddy. Here's your stick. I love an Evereve set. No show panties. You're not going to see these under your white pants. You're not going to see them under your smooth bottoms, your skirts, your dresses, those white, gorgeous summer dresses that are coming up. You're not going to see these. They're amazing. I love them. And then if you need a pop of color, what about this? I love blue. I love the deeper V in this one, but they have so many styles. Just check out their site. I'll put all the information down below. I also have a discount code. So if you use my code, site-wide, you will get a discount off of all the amazing Evereve pieces. So worth checking it out, right? From this to all yummy goodness, right? Awesome. Okay, for outfit of the day today, I am wearing Mica denim from a Wantable. You guys have seen them before. I have on a Z Supply top. My shoes are from Stitch Fix, Dolce Vita. I think these are DV by Dolce Vita. Aren't those cute with the little ruffly? I love those. And for a necklace, I have on this cute Goriana necklace with the little seashells charm, beachy charm. My gold hoops, and that's it for today. I didn't even put on a bracelet stack. That's it for today. All right, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday and time for outfit of the day. It is first thing in the morning. I decided to do this before the day got started and everybody got rowdy. I may have missed the window. So it's just before 8 o'clock. The sun is shining. It's 41, but getting up to 71 today. So huge jump. Welcome to Pennsylvania. And let's see, my Wantable style edit posted today. 9 items. Do you not love the 9 items? I love the 9 items. So many good ones. You already saw that I kept the camo short. That one was by Hidden. I love them. Wore them last week. So check out last week's outfit of the day if you didn't catch that. They were pretty cool. I kept the cutoff shorts that I liked. The other pair I did return. They fit really well. The ones that fit really well. I kept the Riviera linen pant and shorts, and as you knew, I wanted to size up. I did, and the size up worked perfectly. I kept the vacay sweatshirt and the Brighter Days sweatshirt. I thought those were adorable, and I kept the vest, the denim vest. So cute. So I think that I had 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 6 items I kept out of 9. So awesome. My stylist did a great job. It was Jordan. She's amazing. And I'm loving the changes Wantable is making. For today, I have on a Z Supply dress that I got at a boutique that I'm in love with. Paired it with a Paige jacket. And of course, my Evie. I have on my Evie bralette. You know, it works perfectly underneath here, like perfectly. I love it. And my Paige denim jacket, of course, from Trendsend. Evie's from the Evie store or online. And my sandals are Mark Fisher. Are these not adorable? I love these flats. I just got them in a Trendsend. They are fabulous. And for jewelry, my bracelet stack. I have on a Gorjana necklace with all the seashell charms, gold hoops, and that's a wrap. The boys are playing, so they're being very good, but I know it can be a little distracting. Although Loki's being the good one right now. That's a wrap on Monday. I hope your week is going fabulous, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and time for outfit of the day. You can see I made it outside. This is fabulous. It is 70 degrees, getting up to 79. I am all alone because the puppers don't stay where they're supposed to, and we'll try to escape right now. So I'm gonna have to work at trying to figure out how I keep them in one spot. Let's see, for outfit of the day today, I'm casual. I have on Pistola denim from a Trendsend. I have on an Evereve top from a Trendsend. I love this one. I'm super casual with my shoes, my flip-flops, and I have on a belt from Trendsend by Evereve. I have on my Gorjana necklace, yeah, Trendsend. And then I just have on my bracelet stack and gold. I didn't even put earrings in. Look at this. I am missing my hoop earrings today. I have no hoop earrings. I was going to say I have my hoop earrings in because I thought I put them in. That's my outfit today. All right, guys. Hope you're doing fabulous, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Wednesday. We made it to hump day. And let's see. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day. It is so nice out that I could have been in the pool at 7 a.m. That's how nice and warm it is outside today. Fortunately, back-to-back meetings today. So no pool time, but today would be the day to do it if I could. It's that gorgeous outside. It's 80 already, getting up to 84 here at lunchtime. My Stitch Fix posted today. I'm loving that they're adding more items to the boxes. I love it. So I think you can actually choose whether you're going to get like the normal 5, or if you want to get like 6, 7, or 8, you can choose. So I've been going for the 8. The one I showed today was 8 with my new stylist, Amber. And I ended up keeping 6 items. I returned the Market and Spruce Navy dress, and I returned the AG denim, the Brindley. So I don't need that pair. I think I probably have maybe a different color, but I think I have that same denim, like I said, just in a different color. So I did return the denim, but I kept everything else. I really liked that collection. It was a super good one. If you didn't check it out, check it out. It's so good. Stitch Fix has just been making such major changes that I am really loving. And for outfit of the day today, I'm again casual, even though I am working today. But I have on, because it's so warm and so nice, but I have on cut from the cloth cutoffs from a Trendsend. I have on a Pilcro top from Anthropologie. Threw on my flip-flops. Yep, from Dolce Vita. And then I have on my Gorjana necklace. This one I just put the conch shell charm on it. And I forgot to put hoops on again. I got so used to just automatically having earrings in that apparently I have forgotten to wear earrings for the second day in a row. I'm on my bracelet stack, and I'm set for my day. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday and time for outfit of the day, and I attempted to come outside with the pups, but my neighbors are having work done, so they hear the people, they're reacting to the people. So now I'm afraid to let this one go because he may go see the people. Won't you? Won't you, Willie? Yes. But all three of them are here right now. Come on, Dexy. Come on. Come on. All right. Let's see. For outfit of the day today, it is a gorgeous day. So it is going to get up to 83, but the rain is going to come. It is about 73 right now. It feels amazing. I would so rather be out here than at my desk, but girls got to work for a living, right? So I chose a comfy outfit. I have on a Evereve sweater top from the Evereve store. I have on Paige shorts from a Trendsend, also from the Evereve store. For shoes, how about these fun Dolce Vitas? Are these not cute? Love these. It's just a basic gold sandal to go with everything. And then I have on, let's see, yeah, 2 turquoise necklaces, which at the moment, I do not remember where I got them. I think this one is Stella and Dot. I'm not sure where I got this one, but it's super pretty. I like it a lot. I have on bracelet stack and gold hoops. I remembered today, almost forgot. And that is my outfit. I'm hoping it's supposed to rain for like the next many days. I'm hoping we get some bright sunny spots here as we get into the weekend, sort of like it is today. I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It is very cloudy behind me, getting a little dark. The rain is coming. I heard a thunderclap, so I don't have the puppers with me because I'm probably gonna have to move these cushions a little farther under cover here in just a minute. So let's see, I did a short for you guys today. I hope you check it out. Fun from my Cozy Islands. If you didn't get a chance to check out the Cozy Island video, this will at least showcase a couple of those pieces. So absolutely love the Cozy Island shoes. Great price, great product. I mean, they're so comfy. You can wear heels again. Like, it's just fabulous. So check that out. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on an Evereve skirt from a Trendsend. I have on a airy bralette in this awesome brown color. And then the vest from White House Black Market that I shared with you in my last haul. For shoes, Dolce Vita, right? Hard guess. Dolce Vita, the cute little leopard kitten heel. And I just have my bracelet stack on, my necklace from Trendsend that is Goriana. And that's my outfit today. All right, so let's see. For a puppy funny today, I think I'm going to share a little snippet in here of some puppy playtime to give you a sense of what it's like at my house almost all the time. Sometimes it's louder, sometimes it's slightly quieter, but this is happening about 80% of the time. Enjoy. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. I'm doing this first thing in the morning. I'm headed to a hair appointment. 66, getting up to 76. It's raining right now, but it is supposed to clear up here in the middle of the day. And let's see, today my Evereve haul, my dress haul posted. Check that one out. Such fun, different styles of dresses I got during their Evereve dress sale. And Let's see, you may notice my eye looks a little weird. Yep, I got the corner of my eye, and now I appear to be getting a black eye. That's fun, because next week I am in like back-to-back vendor meetings and training sessions and like group sessions with yeah, with everybody at work. So hopefully this goes away by Monday morning when I have to head to the office for the week. The things that happen, I'm telling you. Let's see, my dress for today, I am wearing a dress. I have on an Evereve dress. I got this one at the end of last year and didn't get a chance to wear it, so I'm excited to wear it. It's a mixed media with like sweater type material at the top and then the poplin or cotton here at the bottom. Yeah, and then for shoes, I have on my Fisher. So you might remember these in the tan. I love them so much. I grabbed them in the black. I thought these would be perfect travel shoes. For all the vacations, plus they don't take up a lot of room in your suitcase. So I grabbed the black. For jewelry, I have on a Gorjana necklace with all these fun charms and gold hoops, bracelet stack. Gotta get going. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. So I can't wait to hear what your favorites were. Please do comment down below. I'll list all my outfits. If I can link specifically to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I will include all the boxes. And then yesterday, of course, I shared with you a Friday Funny, right, of the dogs and all their playtime. And then, of course, after that, I did get a funny for you. So I'm going to share that as well. So Loki loves to get on the raft with me in the pool. He just does it all on his own. If I get close to the edge, he'll walk right on top of me and get onto the raft and plop right down on it with me. And he likes to float. So none of my other dogs, like Wyatt would get on with me for a little bit, but he wanted right back off. And really, he was coerced to get on, right? And Xena was the same, but he loves it. So I had the raft partly out of the water, as you can see, and he decided to jump right on it himself and sailed off. And then at the end, it looks like he's just resigned to stay on the raft. He's funny. Anyway, that is now a wrap on the entire week of outfits and all of my dog funnies. Thanks for hanging out with me today. So much fun. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on going with my channel, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.